Life is either an incredible adventure or nothing at all. Hey guys, Lobo right here. Once again, we are heading on a trip to another lake. It's gonna be pretty rad. I do apologize once again. My gimbal is working, however, one of the battery has died. So I do apologize. It's gonna be some shaky footage, but I'll fix that in post-production. This is Burr right here. Burr, tell everybody where we're heading.
Hey buddy, we're heading out to Storm Lake. It's about 2 miles off dirt road to get there. But it's gonna be beautiful, so we'll see how it goes.
Alright guys, you guys heard it from the guy. We are heading to Storm Lake. It's a beautiful day. We do have Burr's kid in the back, so she's singing a nice tune for us right now. We'll see you guys next time. Okay, next time. Isn't that a gorgeous lake? I wish you guys were here with me, but every time I ask you guys to come, you say no. So let's do it this way this time. Next time I ask you to come, make sure you say yes, so you get to see what we see, okay? Until next time, guys, peace out.